Metal recipe holders are a great addition to any kitchen. There are many products available to choose metal recipe holders, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best metal recipe holders from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nikki Home Kitchen 4x6 Metal White Recipe Box. Organize your recipes with the Nikki Home Recipe Box. It includes 24 recipe cards, 8 dividers, and a phone holder. The matte finish allows easy writing, making it efficient for your kitchen. The dividers help you quickly locate recipes. The lid has slots for cards and a phone, making it multifunctional. This vintage yet modern box is a thoughtful gift for various occasions, allowing you to share cherished recipes. Made of durable materials, this recipe box. Number 2. Nikki Home 4x6 Kitchen Metal Recipe Organization Box. Nikki Home Recipe Box is a metal recipe organization box that comes with 24 double-sided recipe cards, 8 dividers, and a clear frame. It helps protect and organize your recipes, making your kitchen more efficient by allowing quick access to recipes with the dividers. The clear frame on the lid holds recipes upright for easy viewing while cooking. This vintage yet modern recipe box also makes a thoughtful gift for various occasions. Made of durable materials, it can store up to 274x6 recipe cards and dividers. Number 3. Nikki Home 4x6 Kitchen Metal Recipe Organization. Keep your recipes protected and organized with the Nikki Home Recipe Box. This metal recipe organizer comes with 24 double-sided recipe cards, 8 cute dividers, and an acrylic clear frame. The soft matte finish allows for easy writing with any pen type. The included dividers help you quickly find the recipe you need, making your kitchen more efficient. The slot on the lid acts as a Number 4. Nikki Home Kitchen Metal Recipe Organization Box. Keep your recipe collection organized and protected with the Nikki Home Recipe Box. This metal recipe organizer comes with 24 double-sided recipe cards, 8 cute recipe card dividers, and 1 acrylic clear frame. The soft matte finish is easy to write on with any pen type, including pencil. With 8 card dividers, you can quickly find the recipe you are looking for. The specially designed slot on the lid allows your recipe to be held in an upright position on the box, which permits easy viewing without touching while cooking. The box also makes a thoughtful gift for weddings, bridal showers, Mother's Day, or an anniversary. Made of durable materials, this recipe box is sure to last for generations. Number 5. Recipe Box with Cards and Dividers White Metal Body. The Neat Secrets recipe box is made of high-quality tin metal with a thick bamboo lid, and it comes with 154x6 index cards and 15 cute dividers. It has a special feature of a phone holder carved within a wooden lid for watching your favorite recipes while cooking. The stylish farmhouse design makes it a unique organizer for your recipes. This recipe box.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.